Now we are going to exchange the cut height tool. Cut height tool is the wheel, press wheel. It also set the high precision and low precision according to your material. Because this height need set the knife height on the machine table directly, but this height is not set its height on this table surface. It's set on the material surface. It's this press. 你把那个过程。You want to press this carton box. You need to touch it, and then you can move in it to check if the press device is safe. If not safe, you can adjust the low precision and the high precision. After find the safe device, then you set the set too low, set too high. It's precision. Then you can get the right precision. Because this press roller is directly pressed on the material, so you can try test on your material to find the silt height and the silt low precision.